With Simplified, you can add video transition effects to merge videos or transition from one artboard to another in just a click. Simply use this up arrow to open Timeline View, and then select this animate icon and a menu on the right-hand side will open up. From here, let's toggle down transitions, and now we can see all of our different options to choose from. You can hover your mouse over each transition to preview the motion. You can add dissolve transition to your video and adjust the speed to be slow, normal, or fast. You can add transitions between just one video artboard or between all of your different video artboards by selecting the next artboard and following the same steps. Simplified makes it easy to add transitions between or within your video artboards. To use our video editor and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.